Alright, everybody, we're here at the railroad.
Hope you didn't mind the reception. When you tango with the Institute, you gotta be careful when someone new gets on the dance floor.
Your leader was just being cautious.
Exactly. Kind of killed our chance at a friendly first impression, though. But it's all good now. I vouched for you. Nobody got shot. Still, I would consider it a close personal favor if you didn't sell us out to the Institute. Thanks.
So tell me, why did you vouch for me?
I've heard a lot of things about you. Enough to want to give you a chance. So Dez wants me to make you a tourist. That's what we call someone who helps out with the odd job here and there. What a waste. I'm just gonna come out and say this. The railroad needs you.
You got my attention.
I got a job. Too big for me, just perfect for the two of us. You help me out, we turn a few heads, and then Dez invites you into the fold. Then, if you get into a bind and need some help, your buddies in the railroad got your back.
Sign me up then.
Perfecto. Let's meet up at the old freeway outside of Lexington. I'll fill you in once you get there.
Alright.
Come here again if you need to meet us. We'll know you're coming.
Desdemona.
Come here again.
Does she have any quests for us?
We'll know you're coming.
Come here.
Come here again if you need to meet us. We'll know you're coming.
Hey there.
Can't wait to get out of this place. Gives me the creeps.
Saw some of your work along the trail. Not bad.
Trying to do as much side quests as can as possible.
For a human? What do you mean?
You were born in the Wild Human Model 1.0. You ain't bad for that model. Not.
Uh-huh. I appreciate.
Yeah. Listen, you gotta. We're a man down.
I'm interested.
Awesome. I know Dez said we don't got room, but talk to D.
You know, if you need our help, you only have to ask.
I'm trying to find some side quests. I guess we gotta go to Lexington. I don't know. I hope this quest doesn't mess us up with the relationship of Brotherhood. So, it shouldn't, because at this point we don't know about that they hate the railroad, I guess. And I guess we're not gonna go too far into the quest where, like, they're asking them to help them destroy the Institute. Or mess with the Brotherhood. So yeah, we're just gonna do enough quests to get a good amount of XP from this. You know, just a little XP. I always need a little XP. So we're kind of close to leveling up right now, and I would really like to level up. So we're gonna go to Lexington, which is like surrounded by raiders. So we're probably gonna use our combat to kill all of them. All right, we're how far away from? Oh, we're really far away. So right here, it's Drumlin Diner. Prepare for the future. Like they're going in as soon as the bombs are going off. Oh, we're here.
Thanks for helping us out with Trudy. You did good. Now, let's talk business.
Ooh. Oh, he'll sell us. I wish he'd give us more quests. So we gotta go way down here. Yeah, try not to sprint. Sometimes I forget. I'm sorry about that if I forget. Where's dog meat? Dog meat, come here. I know I saw him back there somewhere. I don't know where he is though. Is that thing coming for me? No, I don't think so. But okay, let's head off. Ooh, who's in here? Oh, there you are, dog meat.
Excuse me.
Ooh, boy. You may want to keep your distance.
Why? Are you threatening me?
Nah, nothing like that. It's just, well, I think I ate a bad can of meat. Okay. Maybe it was 3 cans. Seemed pretty tasty at first, but now it's got my guts all in a twist. And, well, you long neck.
Okay, I don't want to be part of this. Give me. What did he put on my map? Oh, there we are. Let's head up here. Jump, jump. Oh, this is where we were blowing up stuff, wasn't it? That was awesome. There's Deacon. Hey there, Deacon.
Deacon, is that you?
Like the disguise? It's Wastelander camo. This is my pile of garbage, asshole. Back off. Good, right? You're lucky I didn't do one of my face swaps, too.
I almost didn't recognize you.
That's the point. So, about the job. The railroad's only recently been using the Old North Church. Our old base was underneath the Slocum's Joe. We had a pretty sweet setup until the Institute found us.
That sounds really, really bad.
It was a disaster with a capital D. The survivors didn't have time to grab anything. So, we're getting something important we had to leave behind.
Let's find it then.
We gotta do one thing first. We got a tourist nearby. He or she has information on the base. So let's pump him for information before we dive in. For now, I'll take point. So I'm looking for rail signs.
Okay, we're gonna follow him, I guess. Ooh, can we go up there?
If you like that, we got signs,
Oh, we are.
counter signs, dead drops, even a secret handshake. Alright, maybe the handshake never got on. Anyway, the tourist should have a trail left for us.
Are you going? Keep going. Okay. Yeah. Horrible damage from far away. No, you don't have to kill him. I was just making a point.
Oh, in the center indicates a direction.
Here, I'll handle him. There we go.
Let's keep going.
Did I kill him? No. There we go. Is that good enough for you? Pretty far away now. Okay, is that good enough? Let's go. Come on. Go. Go. No. Come on. Let's go. Why is there a turn up there? Okay, go. We're all safe right now. Unless we go to that turret. Then we won't be safe. Only dog meat wants to be up here. Don't know where he is. Oh, we've been here before. I think that was that place where we killed a ton of raiders.
Got another
Hey, slow
race.
down.
Right there.
Let me loot a little. I want to see dog meat in action. Oh, he's grabbing onto his limb. Look at that. Look at that. Just knocked him over. Good dog meat. That's a cool perk. I like it.
And another. We're probably close.
Check out the bus. Oh, he's got a quantum in here. Pretty nice place we got here. Wait, let me look in here.
Center? That means there's an ally nearby. Our tourist. You take point on the conversation. Look, no matter what he says, you just say, mine is an issue.
Take their stuff real quick. Okay, I got it all. We can go now. Let's talk to him.
Oh, thank God. You have a Geiger counter? You have a goddamn Geiger counter?
What is that?
Mine is in the shop.
Who the hell is he? HQ said they were sending one agent, not two.
Sorry, I'm new. He's just showing me the ropes.
All right. The wall is my witness. I thought I was dead. About goddamn time you headquarters bastards got here.
It's all right. We're here now. You're safe.
You think I'm goddamn safe? That little Slocum Jones of yours is crawling with goddamn chrome domes and sons of bitches. The front's fortified to hell and back. They placed mines all over the goddamn place.
I appreciate all you've done.
I hope it helps. I really do. As soon as it's safe, I'm getting the hell out of here. So if you need anything else, better ask soon.
Okay, let's talk to Deacon.
Hi.
Wait, dog meat.
Well, isn't Ricky just a ray of sunshine? You think he's telling the truth?
He doesn't strike me as the dishonest type.
Yeah, that's my read too. First rule in this business is never go against your gut. So, if we take him at his word, the front door has mines, synths, and probably other fun and exciting prizes. So, we're going in through the escape tunnel.
The tunnel has got to be easier than a frontal assault.
Easier, but no cakewalk. You lead us there, pal.
Okay. Here, jump off the bridge. I like jumping off the bridge. Okay, let's get out some Sith killing machines. Let's use this for a while. It's right here. We gotta go through the tunnel. Ooh. It's a really nice entrance to a sewer.